This exhaust fan is older than me. So perhaps 31 years old. It's HR is. So we are now changing it because it's broken already per today. 30 years old. And what's the brand? The brand is tada, Sanyo. The new one of Sanyo is quite expensive, so I don't buy Sanyo for the new one. But yeah, this is so much recommended.